Every Zojirushi rice cooker comes with a rice measuring cup. It's important to use this cup to measure your dry rice because it makes it easy to measure the water later. Fill the cup with rice and level off. Place the rice into the inner cooking pan. Rinse the rice if necessary. Measure the water according to the number of cups of rice you used. Level 3 for 3 cups, 4 for 4, and so on. Use the different levels for the different types of rice. Make sure the outside of the cooking pan is clean and place in the rice cooker. For conventional rice cookers, soak the rice for 30 minutes before turning it on. For MyCom rice cookers, just select the appropriate menu button and press Start. Soaking is done automatically as part of the cooking cycle. For conventional rice cookers, leave the lid closed for an additional 15 minutes after the cycle stops in order to allow extra steaming for softer rice. MyCom cookers do this automatically. When the rice is done, fluff up with your spatula and serve. Most Zojirushi rice cookers come with the automatic Keep Warm feature, which will keep your rice warm and moist for up to 12 hours. We do not recommend keeping it beyond this time because the rice will start to deteriorate. Use your rice cooker right and enjoy delicious rice every day.